At the very moment you suffer personal injury from an accident or an injury that was not your fault, your life can be completely turned upside down, and I should know. You see, for 4 years, I lived with the consequences of a devastating leg injury that wasn't my fault. At about 8:15 on the 14th of August 2002, I was travelling to work on my scooter and I was hit by a Cherokee Jeep. I'm sure you've seen these things, they're massive, and if they hit you, it hurts. I was left with serious head injuries and a very, very badly broken leg. In fact, if I were to show you the pictures of the initial impact and me lying there, you'd probably stop watching this video. Enough to say that I needed endless, painful and lengthy operations, and the surgeons had to screw this huge steel fixator thing to me to try and mend me. And from personal experience, I know the most important priority when you're injured is a swift recovery. That's what I wanted. I wanted a swift recovery. And compensation gives you the best chance of helping the recovery process, because it allows you to concentrate on recovering rather than worrying about financial issues. That's what I needed. I needed compensation that would help me get better so I could concentrate on recovering. Now take my case. I had loads and loads of operations on my leg and my face, and I walked like a 90-year-old man. I was in intense pain. In fact, after discussing it with my wife, I actually made the decision to amputate above the knee. Yes, that's me. That's me now with my artificial limb. You see, getting compensation allowed me to make the decision about amputation, which has actually been the right one. And my involvement at the earliest possible stage with you will probably have a significant impact upon the timing and success of your claim and the decisions that you're able to make. Now, I hope you don't have to make a decision like amputation, but of course, I've been involved in big cases like £1 million worth of compensation, but many, many smaller cases too. And I've been practicing for a decade. But the consistent thing is, the money awarded always makes a real difference because it allows you to focus on recovery. And it's not just catastrophic claims like mine. It can be dental claims. It could be you lose your hearing through some sort of induced hearing loss. It could be a faulty product which has gone wrong and injured you, or a sporting injury, or accidents involving children or road traffic accidents. The difference is I know how you're feeling, and I know how much difference compensation can make to your recovery, which is why I'll work on your behalf. I'll sit down with you at the beginning of your case, and we'll agree on the best course of action together, and I'll advise you in clear, simple language. You can tell me anything in complete confidence. In fact, the more you tell me, the more I can help you. And if you can't get to my office, I'll visit you at home, or somewhere that's convenient for you, and I'll look after you on a no-win, no-fee basis if it's the right way for you, which means you don't pay any legal costs and you keep 100% of the compensation. That's right, 100% of the compensation. The results, hopefully, of getting compensation are you can get on with your life and you can be positive going forward instead of dwelling in the past. And any changes you might have to make, whether it's your home, car or lifestyle, you can make. In fact, maybe you set up a solicitor's firm like me, get married and have children, knowing your future is secure. That's Claire, my wife and partner, by the way. If you get in touch with me today, you'll discover how you can claim compensation, why your result will depend on not just what's happened to you, but also who will be representing you. And you'll also get someone who's determined to help you recover with peace of mind. By the way, I'm a senior litigator of the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers, which means I'm a proven specialist in personal injury law, not just a person who pays a membership fee. And I know how you feel. And I will do everything legally and ethically possible to get compensation for you. Please call me, Chris Linnett, on 01626 333 380 or my personal mobile 0775 186 8701. It'll cost you nothing to chat to me and you'll be on your way to getting the compensation you deserve. If you prefer, email me and I'll call you back. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to helping you get the compensation you deserve in the future. Thank you.